Craving a rich, flavorful spaghetti dish with a homemade meat sauce? Here's how to make a delicious ground beef sauce that pairs perfectly with pasta. Start by heating some oil in a pan over medium heat. Add chopped onions and sauté until soft and fragrant. Next, add well-seasoned ground beef. Cook until browned and fully cooked through. Once the meat is ready, add in chopped bell peppers. A mix of colors works best for extra flavor and color. Stir and cook for a few minutes until the peppers start to soften. Then, pour in diced tomatoes and marinara pasta sauce. Stir to combine. Add parsley, thyme, a scotch bonnet for heat, 2 Maggi cubes, cardamom, and 2 bay leaves. Mix everything together, reduce the heat, and let it simmer until the sauce thickens and the flavors are well combined. Pop in a whole scotch bonnet for heat. Leave it whole to infuse flavor without overwhelming the dish. Once the sauce is ready, serve in one of two ways. Option 1. Spoon the meat sauce over cooked spaghetti. Top with grated Parmesan and freshly chopped parsley. Option 2. Mix the spaghetti right into the sauce to collect all that rich flavor in every bite. Then top with Parmesan cheese and freshly chopped parsley. Which way are you serving yours tonight? #Spaghetti Night.